Hello folks, here we have a 52-inch Panasonic King Arthur ceiling fan, finished in bright brass or polished brass, and it's paired with a very nice set of dark walnut blades. The tag on the top says 0185, so that's either first quarter of 85 or January of 85. I'm not sure how they date these things, but it's a very nice fan. It's in pretty good cosmetic shape. We'll take a closer look at it here. I just gave it a quick wipe down. I haven't buffed or waxed anything yet. A couple of small nicks on the blades, but these blades are very nice. They're very rich. Very dark walnut, so that's pretty cool. Unique canopy. You can see the brass is starting to get a little milky in places. Like on the faceplate here, you can see it as well. Switch housing. Not sure what happened here. My guess is one of the blades got loose and the back of the bracket was dragging on the switch housing. Maybe that's why they opted to get rid of it. It almost sort of resembles a Hunter Comfort Breeze from the top. I thought it was a Hunter at first, so I saw it with the I saw it on the shelf facing up, so I thought it was a Hunter, so I went to go look at it, and it was actually a Panasonic. Model F5215. You can see right there, manufacturer note 8501, so that's what I think. It's January of 85. It's a pretty well-built fan. Everything goes together very nicely on it, and it's probably pretty expensive back in the day. So here, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and run it. Starting off on low speed. This fan offers 3 very distinct speeds. The low speed is quite aesthetic. Very nice low. And I feel a very slight breeze. So you can tell it's somewhat of a functional low, so that's kind of nice. The brass almost reminds me of Hunter's bright brass from the 90s, which I really liked. Bring it up to medium. You can hear a little bit of bearing chatter, so it probably needs some bearings. But it is very quiet overall. Here's high. Very good performer. And again, it's, other than that bearing chatter, you can't hear anything. No motor noise or anything like that. Definitely a pretty high quality piece. Let her coast. It's a very plain looking fan, but it's also very unique, especially with those blade arms. Those blade arms are very distinct. And the wide switch housing is also pretty cool. Not something I really noticed until I saw it in person. I'm sure I'll find something to do with it. It's pretty nice. Very good fan. I'm just not huge on polished brass. That's the only thing, but the price is right, so I picked it up. Yeah, you can see it stopped pretty quickly, so the bearings are probably pretty gummed up. But anyway, there you have it, folks. There's your 52-inch Panasonic King Arthur. Thanks for watching.